Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you add Google Calendar on iPhone or iPad. So for that, at first go to settings, scroll down to select calendar, just select calendar. Now here you can see accounts, click on it. Now here you can see again the third option, add account, click on add account. Now select Google and add your Gmail account. Now after adding your Gmail account, just toggle on calendar to turn on and click the top right save. Now go back and go to your calendar app. Now in the bottom here you can see calendars, click on it, and after clicking it just toggle on your Google account, and after that you can just add Google Calendar on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.